Hi guys, welcome to another natural hair video. If it is your first time here, you are welcome. My name is Blizzy, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to grow your hair thicker and healthier hair using onion juice. And if you want to see that, keep on watching.
Do you want to know?
So guys, all you need to make your onion juice is onion and water. That is all. You don't need any other thing. And in this video, as you can see, I'm using the red onion and the white onion. This is just my own making, just to combine the two together. You can decide to use one, depend on you, and the two are also healthy and they have the same benefit to your hair. So I'll just go ahead and peel them all, and before cutting it, I kept them in the fridge. Keeping them in the fridge is just to stop the, like, when you cut onions, you do cause like make you cry. So to stop that tearing, you have to keep them in the fridge, because if you blend them, the tear will still be there. But if you keep them in the fridge before cutting and blending them, the tearing will not be there. So after that, I will just cut them and then put them in my small blender, add water, and then blend it smoothly. So it's very simple. You can see after blending it, is how it is. So the next step you should do is to strain the onion juice from the shaft or the particles, whatever they call it. Then you can use a cheesecloth, you can use a net wig, the one they used to make a manicure wig cap. You can just use anything that can strain it very well, that is clean. So I've just transferred it to my bottle and I'm using my spray bottle. Is very easy to make, very simple, and is very good. It have a lot of benefit. Onions contain sulfur, it contain antioxidants, contain a lot of things. So guys, this is how it looks like. I've already washed my hair, I've applied it. You can use this onions as a pre-poo, you can use it as a deep conditioner. So what I just do, I just use it as a pre-poo. My hair is clean anyway. I just use it as a pre-poo and I leave it overnight. But that is optional. You can decide to use it overnight. You can leave it overnight, or you can even leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and then rinse it off. It all depends on you, but mine, I usually leave it overnight. But when I use the oil, I don't rub the oil on my scalp. So I'll just go ahead to spray the onion juice on my hair. As you can see, my hair is a section. I will advise you spray it in section. That one is more better. So guys, it's very easy for me anyway. I just spray it on my hair, comb it through, and then voila, that is it. Like, kind of detangle. And onions can smell a lot. If you can't start the smell, you can decide to go for another thing. But me, and I don't mind the smell at all. So guys, it's very easy to make. That is it. My hair, I've been trying a lot of things on my hair, and it seems like they are just working fine on me, on my hair, which is, I'm really glad, because I love DIYs. If you have been watching my video, you will know that. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Feel free to join the family by subscribing to this channel, and also click on the notification bell, so that whenever a new DIYs video, makeup video, lifestyle, any video is up, you will not miss out any of the video. The purpose of you turning on the notification bell is so that you don't miss out the notification. Like, it takes days sometimes to get to you, but when the notification bell is on, once the video is uploaded, YouTube will just take it to it first, because the notification is on. So guys, that is it. I really love the progress of my natural hair, the growth and everything, and I know it will get there. So guys, after applying it to the hair, I just go ahead to spray it on my edges. Your edges is very important, and then spray it all over my hair. And then after, I just cover my hair with a plastic bag and then leave it overnight. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
together.